8-inch duct going to it. This is the last one that I've got to change. But basically, now I've upgraded them to have fresh grills, and they've got 10-inch duct going to the bedrooms. 10-inch duct. So I just had to make the hole a bit bigger. To this living area, that's got a 12 going to it. And that's the original controls. They're getting removed. We've put a tablet on. Still got to put sensors on the wall and whatever. Bit different. I've actually got a 12-inch going to this room because it's the master and it's pretty big. Upsized and returned for 900 by 550. And yeah, so I've got nothing against old school things. In fact, they're so reliable. But the reason why I'm putting that in is because it's a 2-story house, and I'm going to put sensors in, and I want to be able to choose where the outdoor unit like senses temperature. Like, I want the outdoor unit to cycle on and off. So if they've only got one person home and they're downstairs in, that side of the house, I can get it sensing temperature from downstairs that side of the house. Or if there's one person home and they're just up here, I can get it sensing temperature from up here. That's why I use that. And I also think the Daikin Wi-Fi component and app is, in my opinion, I'm not a big fan of it. It takes ages to load, and you can't do the things that you can do with this. Whereas this app is way better. If you get the My Place, don't ever use eZone. But My Place is awesome. eZone, excuse me, is the exact same, but the eZone tablets have a 100% failure rate. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in now. See how much bigger the hole is. Cut that out. Alright, so that's a new grill. Nice and fresh. Sweet. Okay, so this is the 3-phase supply, and it's got 20 amp fuses. The new system requires a 25 amp circuit. So this guy is actually an electrician. So he's going to put in a new feed, like new cable and everything, upsize it and put in a circuit breaker. Okay, so this is where the old one used to be. Pipes and cable came out there. That's all getting deleted. It's a Thursday here, and what he's going to do is run a new feed, because the switchboard's on the other side of the house, up, across, down, put in an isolator and into there. But he's going to do that on Saturday. So just to get this thing running, just so I can commission it to make sure it's working, I'm just temporarily just going to wire this in, make sure it's all working good, and then I'm going to isolate it, disconnect all this, and he's going to wire it up properly on Saturday, and then I don't have to come back. These 20 kilowatts are in a VRV shell, so you need to calculate the pipe run, add refrigerant, and so I just needed power to put it through test mode and whatnot. So that's why I'm doing that. But it will be isolator, bang. Alright, that's going through a test mode now. I normally take that out, don't use it, put electrostatic in. I think it's easy to clean, and it makes that way quieter. This thing is absolutely roaring. There's so much air. That's the return noise, pretty quiet. Got electrostatic, filters everywhere. Just got sensors in each room. It's the same, like I've just done them all the same height as that. So basically, it's the actual temperatures. Actually, no. Absolutely pumped. So this is 20 kilowatt, 2 18s returns, 2 16 supplies, and replaced all the duct. Everything's all schmick, and that big 20 kilowatt unit on the wall. It's on the other side of this wall. Can't even hear it. Epic. Done. That's all done. So, like I said, I just temporarily have done that. I'm gonna disconnect it all, like isolate it now, and he's gonna come and do like run an actual feed. So just for a bit of comparison, it's a big 2-story house. So 20 kilowatt Daikin is sweet. With 2 18s. If you put 2 16s, there won't be much of a difference between that and like a 16 kilowatt, to be honest.